Forgiveness. A journey towards healing. Forgiveness is a complex and often challenging process, especially when it comes to those who have hurt us deeply. However, forgiveness is an essential step towards healing and moving forward. In this article, we'll explore the concept of forgiveness, its benefits, and provide guidance on how to forgive those who have hurt you. Understanding forgiveness. Forgiveness is often misunderstood as forgetting or condoning the hurtful behavior. However, forgiveness is about releasing the negative emotions associated with the hurt and moving forward. It's a process that involves 1. Acknowledging the hurt. Recognizing the pain and hurt caused by the other person's actions. 2. Accepting the emotions. Accepting and validating your emotions, rather than suppressing or denying them. 3. Letting go. Releasing the negative emotions associated with the hurt, such as anger, resentment, and bitterness. Benefits of forgiveness. Forgiveness can have numerous benefits, including 1. Emotional healing. Forgiveness can help you heal and move forward from the hurt. 2. Reduced stress. Forgiveness can reduce stress and anxiety related to the hurt. 3. Improved relationships. Forgiveness can improve relationships, including the one with the person who hurt you. 4. Increased self-esteem. Forgiveness can help you regain your self-esteem and confidence. How to forgive those who have hurt you. Forgiveness is a journey, and it's essential to take it one step at a time. Here are some steps to help you forgive those who have hurt you. 1. Allow yourself to feel the emotions. Acknowledge and validate your emotions, rather than suppressing or denying them. 2. Take responsibility for your emotions. Recognize that your emotions are yours to own and manage. 3. Practice empathy. Try to understand the other person's perspective and why they may have acted in a hurtful way. 4. Let go of the need for revenge. Release the need for revenge or punishment, and focus on healing and moving forward. 5. Choose to forgive. Forgiveness is a choice, and it's essential to make a conscious decision to forgive. 6. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support and guidance. 7. Practice self-care. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Common challenges to forgiveness. Forgiveness can be challenging, and it's essential to acknowledge the common obstacles that may arise. Here are some common challenges to forgiveness. 1. Fear of being hurt again. Fear of being hurt again can make it challenging to forgive. 2. Anger and resentment. Strong emotions like anger and resentment can make it difficult to forgive. 3. Lack of closure. Lack of closure or resolution can make it challenging to forgive. 4. Self-doubt. Self-doubt and negative self-talk can make it difficult to forgive. Conclusion. Forgiveness is a journey, and it's essential to take it one step at a time. By understanding forgiveness, its benefits, and the steps to forgiveness, you can begin to heal and move forward from the hurt. Remember that forgiveness is a choice, and it's essential to make a conscious decision to forgive. Recommendations. If you're struggling to forgive those who have hurt you, here are some recommendations. 1. Seek support. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist for support and guidance. 2. Practice self-care. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually. 3. Allow yourself to feel the emotions. Acknowledge and validate your emotions, rather than suppressing or denying them. 4. Choose to forgive. Forgiveness is a choice, and it's essential to make a conscious decision to forgive.